What's going on? We're back with another one. As you saw in the first contest, it was a crazy outcome. Now we have another challenge. We have Steph Curry, modern day Steph Curry. So today's Steph Curry going against Larry Bird from the 80s. So both of them going against who will make 25 threes first. I got my money on Steph because I consider him the best shooter of all time, even though Larry legend. But it's still Steph Curry. Chef Curry with the shot boy. Let's see who's going to get it, who's going to win the challenge. All right, let's go. Now we got Larry Bird going first. Let's see who can make more first. Is it going to be him or is it going to be Steph? All right, we get the timer going. 0 seconds on the clock. First 25 three-pointers. Started the clock. Let's go, Larry. Let's go, Larry. Oh, God. All right. Steph might have his work cut out for him. All right, that was just fluke. 1, 2. He's got a nice release. It's only 2 though. I think Steph is still 3, 4, 5. Larry Legend. 6, 7, 8. Larry the Legend. That's what they call him. Okay, let's back up a little bit. 9. It still makes it clutch. Alright, well, okay, stop trying. Alright, that's a little. They took a. You know what? I'll just keep going. 9 still. That's 10. No, it's not. 10 right there. 11. 12. 13. Larry Legend with 13 in minute 15. 13 still. Oh, Larry Legend lost, I think. There's no way I'm missing with Steph like this. 14. 15. Gets his own rebound. 16. 17. 18. He's warming up. 19. 20. 5 more. 21. 22. Give him the ball. 23. 24. 25. Let's go, Larry Legend. Stop the time. Well, official timer, but right now it's around 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Let's see if Steph Curry can put it like Larry Legend. Let's go. We're just loading it up. We got Steph Curry coming to the plate. Larry Legend made it in around 2 minutes and 10 seconds. We'll have the official timer up on the clock, but 25 three-pointers is the game. Let's see who can make it first. This time, I know Steph lost the last one against Shaq, but there's no way he's losing this one. 2 minutes and 10 seconds? There's no way. We'll start the clock. Go. Let's put it up, Steph. Let's put it up. This is modern day Steph. This is not 2016 Steph. This is modern day. There's 1. Let's go. Let's go, Steph. The shot is quick. The shot is much different than Larry's. 2. Let's go. 3. Pick it up yourself. 4. Come on, Steph. Come on. 4. 5, 5. 6. 7. 8. Larry. Where are you, Larry? 9. Larry. Where are you, Larry? 10. Larry. 11. Oh, wait, okay. 11. 12, Larry. Let's go. 13. Steph is not missing. 13 still. 14. 15. 16. 16 still. Okay, but we got a lot of 17. 18, man. This is not even hard. 19. Damn, I'm trash. Alright, we got so much time. I'm taking time. Like, Okay, now it's 19. 20. Let's go. Get the rebound. Get the rebound. That counts. That's teammates. That counts. Get the rebound. 21. 22. 23. 24. 25. No. 25. Clip it. Stop the time. 26. Stop it. 1 minute, 56 seconds for Stephen Curry. Won't even try to half quarter. Close, but whatever. This time, Steph Curry redeems himself and beats Larry Legend in the 25 three-point contest. Let's see who he's going to go up against next. I can't think of anybody. Ray Allen is a choice. J.R. Smith, maybe? J.R. Smith? Not J.R. Smith. But we'll see. We'll see who Steph can go against, or we'll see who Larry can go against, Shaq can go against. We'll find them out. But until the next one, like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one.